Hello, this is Charles again, and I'm going to present problem number 14 now. Problem number 14, we're told that we have a rectangle. So once again, I've drawn a rectangle for my students. In that problem, we're given that the length is equal to 3 more than the width. So if I let W equal the width, I can let the length equal W plus 3. Another part of the given to the problem is that the area of this rectangle happens to be equal to its perimeter. At this point, I would be asking my students for formulas again, and hopefully they could give them to me. To find the area of a rectangle, the area is equal to the length times width, and the perimeter is equal to 2 times the length plus the width. So in step 4, all we do is start substituting. Area is equal to the length is W plus 3 times the width. And on this side, the perimeter is going to be equal to twice. Instead of the length, we know it's W plus 3. So instead of L, W plus 3 plus this W. Step 5, on the left side, we just multiply this out. W times W is W squared. W times 3 is 3W. On the right side, we have to do some simplifications. So up in here we have W plus W, that's 2W, and we bring down the 3, so perimeter is equal to 2 times 2W plus 3, or simplifying further, 4W plus 6. So perimeter is 4W plus 6. Step 6, we're told that the area and perimeter are equal, so we're going to make W squared plus 3W equal to 4W plus 6. Step 7, we're going to bring everything to one side and make this an equation. If we take these two terms across the equal sign, if we take them to the left, they're going to change signs. So 4W is going to become negative 4W. 6 is going to become negative 6. So for step 7, we get W squared plus 3W minus 4W minus 6 equals 0. Or simplifying further, W squared minus W minus 6 equals 0. 3W minus 4W is the negative W. For step 8, we have to do a little bit of factoring. A lot of students aren't very good with factoring. This one's fairly simple. For W squared, we get W and W in both parentheses. For a negative 6, we're going to have to use a negative 3 because the middle term in our equation is negative, and a positive 2. So W minus 3 times W plus 2 equals 0. And from there, we just make each parentheses equal to 0, so W minus 3 equals 0, so W is equal to 3, so width is equal to 3. The second parenthesis, W plus 2 equals 0, or W equal negative 2, width equal negative 2. Well, we cannot have a negative width. There's no such thing as a negative distance, so we cross that answer out. So for our problem, we're going to use W equal 3. Going back to the top, if this is 3, then the length from step 1 is 3 plus 3, 6. So our final answers, or for step 10, the length is 6 and the width is 3. And that concludes this problem. Thank you.